What's up, people? What's happening? If you watch this video, that means the job is finished. I'm at home sitting drinking beer, or maybe I am driving. I don't know when I will put this video on, but you can see the job is finished. Very nice, very nice. So Stuttgart Thüringen finished. I'm going to Waiblingen to pick up some empty boxes. Okay, das ist nix so schlimm. Oh, it's okay. I don't know why I make so much noise about that. So you are watching now drive to Waiblingen from Stuttgart, from Bosch facility. Here is on the left side Leobener Straße. I have only one door to deliver more. Today I am whole day in Stuttgart here, Region Stuttgart, Ludwigsburg, Waiblingen and everything else. So nothing. I was delivered one construction site, another. So now I'm going to pick up the goods from another, delivered to Lager, to lots of work, and it's 1:30 only. I'm going to pick up these empty boxes, then go in Helbrunn to deliver one door that is way to my company in the halfway from Stuttgart. After that, up. I'm going to load in my company for tomorrow and evening later, maybe, I don't know, I will see. If I don't be so tired, I will drive, because this customer I can unload in no matter what time. Das ist egal, like German will says. I need to show you myself. I am so ugly with this beard. My daughter, she doesn't allow me to cut off all my beard, so I have to listen. I am older. I have to listen. Young people. I think you will be against seatbelt. I mean, I think you will agree with me in some point of your life. You agree with older people, then start to agree with younger people. If you are smart enough to understand this transition, this, how I said, changing the world, changing the technology, especially now in technology. I think I know a lot of stuff, but I learned a lot of stuff from my 15 years old daughter, because she is always in something, you know. Some of the stuff are not good, but a lot of stuff she was learned because she's now in that kind of life, when she had everything in her hands, everything she had in internet. And when I was her age, I only play football and go outside, play football, go back to home, and that's all. And now she's I think all kids now are 10 times smarter than us. So the point is, listen to your kids and also listen good advice from old people.
slightly right.
Good advice is always good. Good advice. Oh. This is so good device. Eh? You can put it like this, like this. I put on my mask. I put this to magnet, like this, like this. Just do that and it's finished. You know, it's so good thing. I think I have it 1 year until now and nothing happened. I have to buy one more for that side on the evening when I put my phone. I have one also in my car. Okay, what's happening here? Just a second, just a second. The street is so narrow with these cars on the right side. Sometimes I think I will scratch them. Here in Stuttgart, I think there is they have to have outside the mask. Oppa. Look at the kid. He's enjoying. Bosch Baustelle Block 1. Those guys work in Bosch. Hola gonna ladies, hola gonna ladies. Now there's some van coming, but I need a little bit more street. It's good. This is place Feuerbach in the city Stuttgart, part of Stuttgart. Stuttgart. What's up, dude? Diesel 135, Super 151, and some Supreme. I think it's shit, but okay. 169. 40%. Then 40% more than 3 months ago in January here in Germany. So that means if you are spent 200 euros per month in one car, now you will spend it 280 bucks, euros. Look at how much big is this construction site. Left, right. Golf GTD. I thought it was R. Keep left. Use number 10 Street, 2710. The whole city is 50, I think. Lady, very nice walking path. I hardly wait to come to Stuttgart privately with my family. Stuttgart and Ludwigsburg I want to visit. I was never, I was all the time with my truck, a lot of time, but I want to visit with my family to make some footage and spend some nice time here. Here is Zoo Wilhelma. or Wilhelma, I don't know how it's right, Wilhelma. And in Ludwigsburg is some castle in the middle of the city, and there's a lot of things here in Neckar River. There's a lot of things to see here. I think to came maybe Friday, Saturday and Sunday this summer and spend the time here. Came with car, rent some Airbnb apartment 2 nights, and that's all. I think it's three maybe maximum 4 hours from my home to here, and that's nothing. Here's some park. Okay, traffic is changed here, so you have to follow a lot of signs. They make new tunnel here or something like that. Oda vas, weiß ich nicht. This construction site here is, I don't know how long, couple of years. I don't know exactly for this, but here in front, over the corner, couple of years. Here is a zoo, Wilhelma City Zoo. I wanna see also what they have. I like those kind of stuff, you know. I like the nature, but I like also the city center, and I like the big buildings and mountains and lakes and seas. Everything, especially during the summer. My wife, she prefer cities and shopping centers. That's normal. My daughter, now she is on some phase, she doesn't need anything except iPhone and TikTok. So a lot of your parents, you know how is that, what is the phase of life, what is the part of life of kids. So, Oppa, Wilhelma, this is the zoo in Stuttgart city. Okay, let's see. This construction site is a couple of years here, I don't know how much, but couple of years. Бам-бам-бам, лечим что-то знаем, и все довольно быстро. Бам-бам-бам. Guten Tag. Halo. Gdje si Macić, šta radiš? Snimam video. Dobro, naslušalac, šta ima? Onako zoveš, a? Dobro, jel znaš šta da mi prijetnji što si prijetla, ne? To javno reci sad da budeš u videu, da znam da imam ja. Da, završila škola. Ja mislim da je četvrtak, ja. Danas je srijeda, ponekad kao srijeda jest. Ajde ljubim, čujemo se kasnije, čao. Čao. That was Miss truck driver. Lady, she truck driver. Just kidding. That's my love. That's my love. Look at the new bridge here they make, but I don't know it is for trains or for people, for cars. I don't know. I didn't read. I was drive through here 7.5 million times, but I never noticed that. Okay, light system, Neckar Park, here left. Now there's tunnel in front of me. Okay.
Keep left.
Good. These glasses, they have some other glasses, and it's perfect when it's heavy sun. There is a really good sun out there, but this on my head now is better when it's cloudy. Oppa, what's that? Corvette? Sometimes when you are in traffic like this, you just wanna go out from that, but there is no magic. You have to be patient. What's here, what they are doing. What's up, dudes? Also 60 for trucks. I don't know how much kilometers now, but in 1 kilometer I should go right here or no, here, don't know.
Take the second lane from the right.
The next exit. Neckar River. And there's a stadium, Mercedes-Benz Arena, Stuttgart. It's a stadium of Stuttgart, FC Stuttgart. stadium, and here is Mercedes facilities. From here to the moon, like Elon Musk says. From here to the moon. Waiblingen. That's my city where I should go. Bets. Look at these facilities of Mercedes. It will start some heavy rain, I think, soon. Mercedes-Benz Arena. I think I'm going directly to rain. This boss, this chef of the construction site told me I have about 10 empty boxes to pick up. We'll see, I have time. I will look how strong the wind is. On the left side, look at that. Left and the right side also, I will close. Look at that. That means the rain will go fast. Came fast and go out fast, I think. course. 5 minutes before unloading place, rain start. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bit 29. Bello cleaning service. Very nice wind here, very nice. I think it's better to drive to city immediately. Up.
Medium curve left.
How to make pause here because I will wait train to stop. I will not unload load with such a rain. I don't have to. And
After 200 meters, turn right on the Waiblingen Strasse. Then, at the traffic circle, take the third exit.
yes, it's just
Turn right. Then, at the traffic circle, take the third exit. After 100 meters at the traffic circle, take
kiddo
the third exit.
with phone, huh? My man.
Take the third exit.
How small is she or he? Ah, there's a rain. So
Please follow the
here
route of
is.
2 kilometers.
Look at this window. It's not normal. There's an exit from the garage over there. I think it's good. So, my friends, loading place. I will wait a couple of minutes, 20, half hour, 45 minutes. If nothing change, then I will have to load. See you guys in some another adventure. I hope you are enjoying this. Bye.